Do you agree with me that having stew at home makes the cooking for the week very easy? Come with me, let's make this delicious stew using chicken and fish. I started by washing my proteins, then I added blended ginger and garlic and also chopped onions. I added chicken seasoning since I'm making chicken stew and fish. Then I went ahead to add some chopped pepper just to give it the spicy flavor. I added thyme. Then I went ahead to add curry powder. Adding thyme and curry powder gives the stew very nice flavor. Then I added rosemary. Then I went ahead to add some salt. You can add salt to your taste. After adding all these ingredients, I went ahead to mix. After giving it a good mix so that all the ingredients can combine together and penetrate into the protein, I'll just allow the protein to sit for some minutes before proceeding to cook. While I'm done with the protein, I'll go ahead to prepare the tomato for the stew. For the pepper mix, I'll be blending red bell pepper, fresh tomato, and onions. I'll blend everything together until it is very smooth. At this point, the tomato and pepper mix is ready to be used. So I went ahead to check the chicken. I'm using the hard chicken, so I'll allow it to cook for some time. I added water and gave it a mix and covered for it to cook for some minutes. Then I will go ahead to fry the fish. I seasoned the fish off camera using little salt, curry powder, seasoning cube and thyme. The oil I use in frying the fish, that is the same oil I'll be using for the stew. I added onions, thyme, curry powder. I also added some blended ginger and garlic to give it nice flavor. After adding all these ingredients, I'll just give it a mix, allow it to fry for 1 minute before adding the tomato paste. Once I add the tomato paste, I keep on frying. The tomato paste is well fried, then I went in to add the blended pepper mix. Then I added the chicken stock and I added seasoning cube and give it a mix and cover it to cook on a medium heat. Once the oil starts floating on top of the stew, which means the stew is well done, then I went ahead to add the chicken. I put the chicken in an air fryer to air fry for just some minutes just to give it the fried chicken vibe. You can also choose to fry your chicken if you don't want to use the air fryer. Thank you, our amazing subscribers, for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you for liking our videos and also your comment. And if you are still watching this video to this moment, this is the right time to subscribe, like, and also share the video. At this point, the stew is ready and I went ahead to add the fried fish. This is the last thing I do so that the fish won't get pieces in the stew while I'm stirring the stew. This stew was so delicious. The fish added flavor to the stew and also the chicken added flavor to the stew. I would love to know if you'll be trying out this stew recipe. See you in our next one. Bye.